In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can withdraw more money from closed Google AdSense account. So ensure to watch this video from beginning to end because I'm going to show you the step-by-step guide on how to actually withdraw the money directly to your bank account. So I actually have a YouTube channel that do operate. I actually post consistent video on this particular YouTube channel. So and I've been gaining out of subscriber up to like 10,000 subscriber within 3 months or so. So if you want to learn how to start Faceless YouTube channel using AI and other to I'm going to drop it in the video description. You can check it out. So I actually got this message from Google like your associate AdSense account is disabled for invalid click activities or other policy related. So I actually check my email to actually analyze what is the cause for this account closure. So this is the policy fund. So violation fund, account related disabled. I will especially have found that your account is related to an account that was disabled for violation of AdSense policy. So I don't know the reason why AdSense actually disabled my account because this is the first AdSense account I'm actually creating for this YouTube channel. But like in this space of online marketing, we have to just move on as far as Google actually disable our account. So the next thing I have to do to actually make sure I get my account back, I try much as possible to appeal different appeal. So let me go back to the email to show you different appeal that appeal. So this the account have over 10,000 subscribers, and it's unfortunate that the day I'm getting the 10,000 subscribers is the same day the AdSense actually disabled the account. So I couldn't do anything. So I actually appeal for Google to reinstate the account. Let me go back to the email. So this is one of the appeal I actually made, but fortunately they couldn't reinstate the account. So for the purpose of those that have the same issue, probably you will be thinking, if you have money in this kind of account, can you be able to withdraw it? So let me show you how to do it. So you have to go back to your closed AdSense account, which is here. You are going to click on the payment info to check the amount you are supposed to be paid. So as you can see, this account actually have $0 right now because of the fact that I was paid on the 10th of this month. So for you to actually get paid, as you can see, the payment was issued on the 9th of November, and normally if AdSense want to pay you out, they are going to pay you out on every 21st, but due to the fact that this account was suspended, that reason why I'm actually getting this payment on the 9th of November. So there are a lot of conditions you have to meet before you can actually get paid on account that was closed by Google. So the first condition is to come to this verification check. Ensure that your identity is complete, like you actually verify your account with your national ID card or any form of identification, and also your address is actually verified. So these two important criteria must be met before you can actually get paid by Google. So, and lastly, let me show you one important thing you have to note. You have to ensure that before you can actually get paid, make sure that you actually have finalized payment, like Google has actually finalized that kind of payment before they can actually pay you out. So, and lastly, add your payment method, like add your bank account for you to actually get paid. So this is my account over here. That reason why I'm actually get paid to directly to my bank account. So let me show you my transaction history to actually show you that this thing is very, very real. Let's click on transaction. And as you can see, this payment was actually made on after removing the invalid click, which is around $3. A total sum of $249 was actually paid directly to my bank account after the account was closed. So this is the time, like this is the last payment I actually received before the account closure. So actually try much as possible to follow the guideline of Google because I have learned my lesson in the hard way. So next time I will try much as possible to follow Google guideline. But for the purpose of you that have a closed account, rest assured that Google is going to pay you out, but it might not be the exact day, like 23rd of every month. So if you find this video very helpful to you, please ensure to subscribe to my YouTube channel so that you'll be seeing consequent video like this. And if you want to get Google approval without writing a content, ensure to watch this next video that is going to display on your screen. Thanks.